Motivation. According to Child 1993, motivation comprises internal processes which spur us on to satisfy some need. Motivation can be intrinsic motivation from within the person rather than from someone else, e.g., a sense of achievement at having completed a difficult piece of work, or extrinsic motivation from someone else, e.g., praise from a teacher for good work. It has been said that intrinsic motivation is generally more motivating than extrinsic motivation and is therefore to be encouraged in learning process. A teacher's job would certainly be easier if all pupils were motivated intrinsically. However, pupils are asked to do many activities at school, which are new to them and difficult. In order to become intrinsically motivated, pupils need. Teachers can deliberately plan such extrinsic motivators into their lessons. Developing motivation is part of good formative assessment. The activities and effort that pupils start and continue are determined by their motivation. Pupils may be motivated by a number of factors. These include achievement, e.g., completing a piece of work which has taken a lot of effort, pleasure, e.g., getting a good mark or praise from a teacher for a piece of work, preventing or stopping less pleasant activities, e.g., avoiding getting a detention, satisfaction, e.g., feeling that you are making progress. Success, e.g., doing well in a test. It is often very difficult for a teacher to identify what is motivating a particular pupil at a particular time. It can say that effort can best be judged by comparing different pieces of the same pupil's work, as the standard of work is likely to reflect the amount of effort put in. These efforts can be encouraged by giving 2 marks for the work, 1 for content and standard of the work and 1 for effort and presentation. Thus, even if the content and standard are poor, it may be possible to praise the effort. This praise can motivate the pupil to try harder, especially if pupils value the mark for effort. They are also said to be mark for encouragement. The motive and its components. A motive has 2 identifiable components, a need and a drive. Needs are based on some deficit within the person. The deficit may be physiological or psychological, but in either case the deficit must lie within the person. Physiological needs: water, food, sleep. Psychological needs are an approval, affection, power, prestige, and so on. Drives, though certainly based on needs, have the added feature of an observable change in behavior. Drives imply motion of some sort. The person is not considered to be in a drive state until the training material for elementary school teachers' need has pushed that person into action. The term motivate, term motive refers to a drive, an activated need that is directed toward or away from some sort of toward or away from some sort of goal. Technically, then, the inner deficit need pushes the person into action, drive toward or person into action, drive toward or away from some particular goal, motive.